Each button has a red and black wire that ends in a white terminal block. Connect the No button to the left 2 pins on the board. Next, connect the Yes button to the middle 2 pins. Then, connect the Call button to the right 2 pins. Please note, the Call button must have 2 isolated independent contacts, one dedicated to the WUR-COM device and one dedicated to the S3C. Some newer WUR-COM button harnesses also include a ring terminal for grounding. If your unit has this feature, connect the ring terminal to a nearby weld stud. An easy method is to remove a nut securing the car station, slide the terminal onto the stud, and retighten the nut. Make sure the terminal sits flat against the metal surface to reduce interference. Connect the camera's USB cable to any of the USB ports on the WUR-COM car station. Run the shielded pair from the hallway fixture's communication alarm to the WUR-COM car station. Terminate the wires at the green terminal block labeled External Relay. Connect the Ethernet cable from the 2N 2-wire device to the PoE splitter. Then, run another Ethernet cable from the splitter's output to the Ethernet port on the WUR-COM unit. Next, connect the USB-C cable from the PoE splitter to the USB-C port on the WUR-COM unit.